Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. This is our lecture number 23 of our free course DIALux Evo. In the previous lectures, we have studied about documentation. In this lecture, we can directly convert this design into the AutoCAD drawing, like I will show you here. This is the AutoCAD drawing, which I have directly converted from the DIALux Evo. You can learn this thing in this video, how you can convert this file to AutoCAD file so that you can give to your draftsman, which will insert the luminaires as per the drawing. So we can go into step by step. You have to watch this video completely so that you can learn this completely. First of all, we can go to the export, and in the export, this is our file. Suppose you want to first, you can better way is to that you can export, you can convert these files into AutoCAD file by one by one. I mean story 1, story 2, like that you should convert. We can select the story 1. This is the story 1. Now there are a lot of things in that. There, suppose it is written here kitchen and dining, it is here it is written child room, here it is written room 1, room 2, room 5. And the second thing is that there are different luminaires. You can see there, here is one luminaire, here is another luminaire. We can name them luminaires. Suppose we want to name this luminaire, we can select this one minute. You can select this one. First you select the lighting, then you can select this one, and you can, here it is, I will show you. Here you can see designation in the DWG plan. That means you have to name the luminaire, which will be displayed in the your AutoCAD file. When you convert this file into AutoCAD file, the name will be displayed that this lamp is A, so you can remember it. So we can name it, suppose we can name it A. Similarly, you can see this one, automatically this one is A. You can also see this one, it is A. That means these luminaires are same, they are same type, they have same category. Now we can select this one. There is no name here, you can see no name is here, so we can name it B. Okay. And similarly in story 2, we can select this one. See, it is automatically coming A. That means the same luminaire which is in story 1. We can select this, it is also same. We can select this one, we can name it C. Okay. And this one we can select, it is B already. Okay. Now we can select the building. We can select this one here, but it is here, it is also B. Okay. Almost we have named all the luminaires. Okay. Now this it is time to export, so we can still go to the export. We can go to the export tab, and in the export tab there are a lot of things coming in here. First off, we will select the story 1. See, it is written room 1, child room, bedroom, room 5, kitchen. A lot of things are written, but you want to uh, export minimum things so that the AutoCAD operator can understand properly. So for that, suppose if we untick this counter line, see what is only these things will be exported. uh, Similarly, if you want luminaires, you want to remove the luminaires, you can remove it, but we have to keep the luminaires, so we can keep the luminaires. Luminaire list, we want objects like furniture and other things. If you want to export, you can export, but if you do not want, you can untick here. We can kept export. And calculation surface, you can keep a calculation surface, or you can, if you do not want to keep the calculation surface, it is your choice. So I think we will keep it. Okay, we will remove it. Result table, if you want to result table, or you can keep it or you cannot keep it. It is your choice. Then we will move more values in charts. It is one layer per calculation value and one layer per individual result. It is as per your choice. You can, if you want to keep it, you can keep it. Like what is your choice? Then we will here you can select the AutoCAD version. Here you can select the AutoCAD version. What version you are using? Suppose if you are using the 2002, 2010, 2013, you can select as per your choice. Then for here, from here you can select the, what is this called, the DWG, and in the DWG you can select it. After that you can go to the new to export, and you can select here the DWG file, name it Villa, YouTube Villa Story 1, and save. Now you can go to the AutoCAD file, the open file, click on open file, continue. Now you can see luminaires and results are also coming here. If you want to do not want to display the results, you can untick. I have already told you, you can untick the results. It is your choice. You can see here the luminaires A, B, B2. These are the name of the luminaires which we have entered. A, B, B. We have missed some luminaires 1 and 2. We have not labeled them. Item number, lux, luminous flux, everything is written. Quantity is also coming here. Okay. Similarly, you can go for the second story. In the second story, we can do a little bit different. We can keep some things and some things we cannot keep. Suppose I will luminar list calculation surface I can remove. Calculation surface points I can remove. Luminaires, once a layer we can kept it. Space counters, no, we can keep it like this. No, we can keep it like that. Result table, linear list, value charts we can untick here, value charts, and then export, and we can name it story 2 and save it and click open. You can see it, what will happen. You can see here BEA. Okay, this is the quantity BOQ of the luminaires. In this way you can export. Okay, now you have learned also how you can export the results, how you can export the drawings in the AutoCAD from DIALux to AutoCAD. Thank you.